Valens Research, Uniform Financial Analytics.
PPG, obviously a chemicals firm. And with PPG, what's so interesting about them is when you look at this business and you try to understand the fundamentals of the business, one of the key things that you want to understand about any stable, mature business like a chemicals business, and quite frankly, bordering on sometimes a commodities business, is to understand, okay, is this company growing or shrinking? How is it getting its returns? And what is it doing to preserve those returns? And when I look at PPG every year for the last 15 years, look at how many times I would think this is a growing business that it isn't. This business has grown 1 year over the last 7 years, and as reported metrics tell me that it's grown 3, and tell me that it hasn't shrunk nearly as much as it actually has. The way PP&G has built the business it's built is by shrinking to grow. It shrunk and gotten rid of low return businesses so that it could expand its ROAs. As reported metrics make you think that it hasn't shrunk nearly as much. It's actually been investing in this business. And the market makes you think that it's investing in a lower return business than it actually has. Again, the market tells you this is a growing low return business when in actuality, this is a shrinking higher return business. Totally different conversations, totally different ways to understand the business. And when we put that in context, right, market expectations, which are for continued modest shrinkage with ROAs to be able to maintain at these levels, that makes sense, right? A business like PPG, likely the big way that they're going to be able to maintain their returns is as other businesses become commodity businesses, they can get rid of them and instead focus in on something else, specifically focusing in on higher return businesses. But if they're going to be investing in low growth businesses, as a chemical commodity business, you'd want to walk away from this company. You'd be thinking the wrong way about it. And as you can see, that's a trend here.
Valens Research, the world's leading source for uniform financial analytics.